Welcome to RC My Controllers, guys. We are off to a model shop in Longton in Stoke-on-Trent in the UK called E-Models. Quite a big supplier of Tamiya RC cars. We used to race Tamiya years ago, didn't we?
We did use to race Tamiya. We used to have Hornet, Grasshopper. They're all smashed up now though.
Yeah, the Grasshopper's sort of still half alive, but
well, yeah, it
needs a few modifications, shall we say, to bring it up to scratch.
Yeah, it needs fixing.
But I think what we decided we're going to do, we're going to go up to the shop today. We're going to have a browse around. We're going to pick one, and we're going to do a mini series doing a build on it, and then we're going to do a review. We're going to do a test video. And
maybe do a mods video as well, mod it up afterwards.
Yeah, and then we're going to do a mods video and bring it up to the 20th century, 21st century.
Yeah.
And hopefully we can, we're going to, whatever we get, we're hoping that we can put it up against the likes of the Armour and the Creighton. Now, I know it ain't going to be as good, we know that, but we want to just get something, just show that you don't have to spend tons of money to have, you know, plenty of fun in this, you know, this game, the RC game. So we're going to see how it goes. We're going to take a trip up there. Hopefully they'll allow us to film in the store. If they do, we can show you around, show you what you've got, and if you're in the area, you know, and you see something that you like, you can always get popped down there. Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
In a quarter of a mile, enter the roundabout and take the first exit onto B5071.
Yeah, I mean, it's hard, isn't it? Because like when you look on
pictures online are never the same as what they are.
I mean,
when you get there, do they?
That's it. Is it going to be what you expect?
Just hope it's a reasonable size so that you can actually get all. You know, you can have a look round, because a lot of these days don't have places where you can look round anymore. They just have a stick them all stuff on the back shelf, and that's about it. And you get about 4 or 5 cars in there, and say, oh no, you have to go online to buy everything else.
Yeah.
Whereas I like back in the day, they used to have a stack of them everywhere, and you used to be able to go and have a look, take them down.
Enter the roundabout and take.
Yeah, you used to be able to have a bit of a play, didn't we?
Yeah.
Mess around with them.
You used to be able to get the box open and have a look, see if you like it. So.
Now I know I mentioned before that we're going to be doing this series build. And then we're going to do a review and a test and all the rest of it, and then we're going to do a mods video as well, where we're going to hopefully heavily modify whatever it is we pick.
Take the third exit now.
Now, I know a lot of the avid Tamiya guys out there, and ladies, are not going to be happy with that. But there are people out there who like the Tamiya, like the look of the Tamiya, the whole nostalgic thing, but just wish that they were faster, that you could put a 3S or a 4S LiPo in it, and you know, and it was able to handle it.
Because we always wanted them faster back in the day.
Yeah.
There's always the thing is to try and make them faster back then, and they were always really slow. But now you have the technology to be able to do that, and you know, make them faster, make them better, improve all the suspension and everything. So we'll have a crack at it, won't we? See what we can do.
Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see. Looking forward to it. It's something different. You know, even though we were out of the game for flipping heck, must have been 20 years plus.
Yeah, something like that.
And obviously getting back into it, everything's Armour, Traxxas, you know, and that sort of line of RC cars and trucks and whatnot. But you know, we still like the look of the Tamiya, because they're a nice. It's nostalgic, you know. There's a lot of nice cars that they do. It's just Tamiya don't seem to have moved forward with the times to develop their cars to fit the 3S and 4S LiPos. You know, even 6S, none of their cars that I know of.
They only stick to 1/10 scale as well.
Yeah.
I think that's the biggest car they do. So,
but it would be nice to see some of them cars, you know, keeping up with today's cars, the Traxxas and the Armour and stuff. So that's what we're hoping to do, is go and have a bit of fun. Probably going to learn a hell of a lot along the way as we're doing the mods. but we'll see how it goes.
The biggest problem is figuring out what car we're going to get.
Well, this is it.
Are we going to get a buggy? Are we going to get a truck? Are we going to get a road car?
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, what in your mind? What are you thinking?
All three.
See, we haven't got. Yeah, and that'd be nice. I mean, we haven't got a road car at the moment. That's the thing, and
no.
You know, it would be nice to have a road car, but at the same time, we do a lot of off-road stuff. But you know, the hot shot is an amazing. I love it. It just reminds me of my childhood. You know, I remember there used to be a guy in the street that had a hot shot. You know, and just to me back then when I was that young, you know, 9, 10, 11 years of age, was just mega fast to me back then. And I know it ain't going to be that fast now, but it would be nice to develop one and mod it so that it is fast in today's standards. You know, we've got a little bit of work coming on the Vantage as well, the FTX Vantage.
Yeah.
There's not many places in the UK that we're aware of, and you know, put a comment in the comments box if you do know somewhere, because we'd love to know. They make the steel spur gears. You know, the Vantage, we love it because it's such a cheap car, so cheap to repair, and yet it's a little beast. You know, it ain't keeping up with the armours and tractors and stuff. We know that.
Well, no, but we got
what it is. It's a damn good car, isn't it?
We got it up to what, 50, 56 mile an hour, which isn't bad. No, but it would be able to go a lot better, a lot faster, if we were able to get these little upgrades and things like that.
That speed is the Armour Typhon on standard gearing.
Yeah.
You know, so it's alright. It's not going to accelerate quite as hard and all the rest of it, but it's not bad. It's not bad for a little cheap car. You know, I mean, again, there's tons of logic you can do on that, but I like the idea of doing it with a Tamiya vehicle.
Yeah, I like the look of the old Tamiya stuff. Then if you're from that era, you're gonna like it.
Yeah.
And I used to love the Hornet and the Grasshopper. And they used to take an absolute pounding back then.
I know, they were really
absolute
good.
Pounding.
They were comical.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, they're
good little.
You stick it in reverse hard, the front dips because the suspension's that weak.
Yeah, it's rubbish. Isn't it?
You know, and I've seen people on YouTube doing quite heavy mods on the Grasshopper and stuff, and they do look cool, but you know, it'd be nice to be able to sort of have options where you can get one that fast that you need to put belted tyres and stuff on it, which would be awesome. But
really good fun.
Whether that's possible or not, we don't know. So we, you know, sort of put it on the table and had a look at it properly and decided how we're going to tackle it. We're going to have to see.
Looking forward to buying something.
Yeah, that's all I want to do. Yeah.
Buy something new. See what it's like. I am still contemplating a road car, I must admit.
I do like the idea of a road car. I think options for speed and stuff are better.
Yeah, for road cars, like the Lancia and stuff like that, you could get like the rally car style. Yeah. Or you could just get an out and out road car. I mean, they've got F1's cars and things like that as well.
Yeah, the problem with the F1s is they tend to have rigid back ends, don't they? We need some sort of, if our roads around here are, they're not track, you know, they're not track standard, are they? They've got bumps all over the show. So I think we need something with a little bit of give in it. And that's why we're going to go up there today and have a nosy in it. And actually have hopefully they've got them on display so we can actually have a proper look at them. But I hope they're not just boxes.
Yeah, that's
my only concern, is if they're all boxes. But we're going to see. We're going to see. Hopefully it'll be a nice little surprise. So guys, we're not gonna leave this going all the way through because it'll
get a bit boring.
It'll get a bit boring. It is a 45-minute journey from my house, so we've got a little bit of a journey. It's not miles away, but it's just traffic and stuff, and the roads are going on, so we won't bore you too long. But we'll see you in a bit. We'll see when we get there. Hopefully they'll let us film in the storm and can show you around. So we've just arrived at E-Models in Longton Stoke. and it looks quite a really small place, but I'm hoping it's like the TARDIS when we get inside, but we'll soon see. I don't think they're going to be open just yet. We'll see, but we'll come back to you in a minute. We're just going to check in a bit to make sure we're allowed inside, and if we are, we'll flip the cameras on. You can have a look around with us. See you in a bit, guys. Let's go flow. Okay, welcome back, guys. So we have just been into the shop, and the customer point is quite small. It's mainly warehouse, so we can't take the cameras in. So we've had a scrum down for the last half hour trying to decide on what it is we want, and we've decided we're going to go for one of two of the rally cars that Tamiya make, and it is between the
we're going to either go for the Subaru Impreza or the Audi Quattro, the old school looking Audi Quattro.
Yeah, looks quite good. Both look really nice.
Yep.
They both use the tt02 chassis, which you can modify and stuff, which is what we're looking to do. So we're going to do a coin flip. So what we're going to do for the Quattro, heads or tails?
Heads for the Quattro.
Heads for the Quattro.
Heads for the Quattro. Ready?
Yes.
It is heads for Quattro.
Kind of wanted the Quattro. So we've got heads there.
Oh, just dropped it.
Oh, excuse me, sorry about that. So it's heads for the Quattro, and we'll be back in a minute when we purchased it, and we can start heading back and get ready to do the build. See you in a bit, guys.
It is.
Okay, welcome back, guys. So we've been and purchased the car. John's got it on his lap, and
Audi
it's
Quattro.
pretty nifty looking, to be honest. Looking at the chassis, does look like it's got plenty of potential for a little 1/10. And
really nice, actually.
Yeah, it does look pretty damn good. So we're going to be having a series coming out where we build it, and then once we've done the build series, we are going to do a review and a test of it to show you how it performs.
Take the second exit now.
Do some upgrades.
Yeah,
it's going to be good. And we'll probably crash it as well.
well,
More than once.
we'll see. We'll try not to. But what we're gonna do is what I think might be interesting. I don't know what you think about this, by the way. What about we stack it up against the Vantage on road tyres? And the Vantage is obviously a really new model FTX. The ones we've got are pretty good, to be fair.
They're not bad. They've got little buggies.
A few little mods on there.
Yeah.
Yours was doing 56 mile an hour, wasn't it? So
yeah.
we know the speed that one can do. So we're going to basically, our aim is to try and get this
faster than that
to see how it goes. So once we've done all the reviews and the build and everything, we'll hopefully do a mod video and we'll show you how it
speed tests.
Yeah, see how it goes.
See how it goes.
So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button, guys. We are going to be doing an unboxing soon, so keep your eye out for the next video, which is going to be an unboxing.
Yep.
And then the series of the build will start after that. So subscribe, hit the bell button. We'll see you soon, guys.
Cheers, guys. See you.